everybody, my name is Montessori. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a number and shape box.
Yeah, this was really cool.
Yeah.
You want to show the number side? Okay. Oh, that's cool.
It's cool, right? So I've made these shapes in my previous video. You can go check that out if you want. And these are the shapes I used to play for the shape game.
Yeah, the video is activity 18A.
Activity 18A.
So this is like the continuation of that one, right?
Yeah, this is the continuation.
Okay.
And this is the number. This is how you put it for the number.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. 7. No, 4. Yeah.
It looks like 7.
So,
This is 7.
oh yeah, that's 7.
For this activity, I use 16 of these white covers. So I have 10 here and 6 here. You can use more if you want. You can use less if you want.
Yeah.
Your choice.
Yeah, depending on what you want to do. You might want to add like alphabets or just shapes
Or maybe
or
you
just
may add
numbers.
20.
Yeah, whatever.
Maybe animals.
Yeah, that's right. That's another one, right? Animals. Yeah.
So you need a box, some paper,
Yeah, whatever color you want.
whatever color. Maybe just the same colors.
Yeah.
Ow. Hot glue.
Yeah, hot glue. For only adults, not for kids. It's always bunny on.
Boxing time.
Okay.
So this is all glued up.
Okay. So what do you want to do with that?
So I'm gonna put it in there to make the box thicker.
Okay. Yeah.
This is all glued up too.
Okay. You're putting this one on top of the box.
The box. Yep.
Okay.
Hold it for a second.
Now for it to dry.
Yeah. So I'm done with this. And I also needed to support it with tape.
Okay.
So now let's start wrapping it up.
Okay.
Done. So I'm done taping. So I'm done wrapping this.
Okay. Looks
It's
very
all
beautiful.
wrapped. And my mom helped me tape this so that I can be more stronger.
Yeah, so it's taped around.
Yes, so she taped the thing all around. You can leave yours if you want, but I prefer to tape it because that makes it more stronger.
Yeah.
So now,
And so that way, if water touches it, it won't penetrate into it. Yeah.
you know, because tape is very waterproof.
Yeah, that's right.
Waterproof.
So if water touches it, it won't penetrate into the box.
So now I'm just going to arrange the covers that I saved for it.
Okay.
The wipes covers.
Okay.
How am I doing?
Yeah, good. You're doing very good.
Hey, this one's kind of sideways.
Okay.
Now let's draw the lines.
Okay.
I see the light. I see a lion.
Let me see a line.
Everyone needs compassion, the kindness of the Savior. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the passion of the Savior. Let favor fall on me. Savior, He can move the
So what are you doing now?
Now I'm just gonna be putting the shapes where they belong.
Okay.
Like arranging the shapes, yeah?
Okay, to draw again. So that you can cut it out, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. I'm glad to see you. My mom's gonna help me cut out the shape because I can't do that.
Yeah, I'm going to use knife to just cut them out.
So my mom's done cutting these out, as you can see. She helped.
Yeah.
And now I'm just gonna put these covers on. Are you ready? Let's get going.
Yeah.
So my mom's gonna use some hot glue.
Yeah, I'm using hot glue. Yeah.
And we have to use it gently. So be very
Only
very
adults can
careful.
use this though.
Yes, be very careful using this, guys. But don't even try using it because it may hurt.
Yeah.
Yep.
An adult should be the one to do this. Not a kid.
Yeah, you could get burned. I've done that very times.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Up. That's what happens. So I'm done putting the covers on here.
It's so beautiful.
I know. Wow. And when you close it, it makes kind of like a sound, right?
Yeah, I'm sure God will like the sound. Okay.
And also, I made numbers. I didn't tell you this from the beginning, but it just popped up in my mind. Like maybe I should just make this for my brother. Maybe you find out about numbers. So yeah.
You also use this to learn numbers.
And I did this the same way I did it with the shapes.
Okay.
So I made numbers. So I made numbers, put them on here, and drew it out and cut it out.
Yeah, that is just like the way you made the shape. Yeah, this is looking so cool. Look at this.
I can't wait. I also wanted to tell you that I put the shapes on these covers so that my brother will know which shape to put in.
Okay, yeah, it's cool.
And I also did this for the numbers, like these little circles here.
Yeah, so he'll be learning how to count.
Yep.
With this one.
1, 2, 3. Which one's 4? 4. I think I think is this. Yeah, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
He's gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah. It will help his brain.
You put this like. So you put this like this. And put this like this. How do you get it out? Think, everybody, think, think.
I'm thinking.
Thinking. Thinking. I have an idea. Doodle.
Okay. So how did you do this?
So I cut like this, like this,
Mm-hmm.
and like this.
Okay.
And easily you can get your shapes out.
Okay. Wow. Okay. And what about the button?
Button. I had this purple button.
Mm-hmm.
So I wrote a button like this. So I wrote a paper like this. And I folded it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put it on the box and glued it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I taped it. And this is what it turned out to be.
Yeah. So
So
what does?
So that's for putting it like this. And
Open it. Makes it easy to open. Okay.
and then that way you can get your shapes out.
Okay.
So that's how you get your shapes out.
Close it back.
You
Okay.
close it
This
back.
is
It's just
cool.
like that.
Cool. Whoa. Go. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Correct. That's triangle. And what shape is that?
Circle.
Circle. Where is circle? Over there. That's right, Ugo. Good job.
Circle.
Circle. Another circle. Good job, Ugo.
Another good job.
Yeah. Do you want to show me star? Do you have star? You have star? Where is star? I found it. Orange star. Ugo has orange star. Where is star? Good job. Good job, Ugo.
Triangle.
Triangle. That's correct. Where does? Over there. Good job, Ugo. Good job. Wow, that's correct, Ugo. That's 7. Look at your numbers. Numbers are over here. Where's 7? Let's see this one. Is that 7? Yeah. Oops. Girl, what are you playing? Nora, what are you playing? What?
Number.
Oh. Yeah, correct. That's number 1.
0. Mom.
Eric, what are you playing? Are you ready for the guess game?
Yep, sir.
All right, let's see. So,
I'm gonna win this thing before everybody because if I can feel the number and I know the shape, then that way I'm gonna know which shape it is.
okay, all right. So, what shape do you have?
Let's see.
What shape do you have?
This kind of. So yes.
Your eye doesn't look closed. Okay, pick another one.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a star.
No.
Oh, rectangle.
Close your eyes. No.
Is it maybe I think a circle?
Does circle have sides?
Oh no. A star?
No.
No. If it has 4 corners. Oh, what has 4 corners? A rectangle or square? A square.
Nora, you aren't supposed to tell. Eric, try another one.
Okay. Oh, now let's see.
You have to let one hand go at a time, okay? So that you not hear. Eric, what do you have? Nora, let Eric say it, okay?
This feels like, I think this feels like a circle.
No.
Square.
No, Eric.
Rectangle.
Are you feeling it very well?
I don't know. Feels like, it's not a square. It feels like a square. Is it? I think it's a square.
No.
Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nora, what are you playing?
So thanks for watching. Have a good time trying to make this for your sister or brother. My 1-year-old, my 2-year-old brother, he enjoyed it. Ugo.
Yeah.
My 4-year-old sister, she enjoyed it. Nora.
Yeah.
As you can see right here. And I enjoyed it. My name's Eric.
Yeah, it's really fun. Like, it's fun for everyone.
It's fun for everyone.
Okay.
I'm just trying to make this. This will work out for you. Just try it.
Yeah, you can do it. Everything is
Everything
recycle.
is possible. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments what your favorite shape is. Mine's circle. What's yours?
Square. What's your favorite shape, Ugo?
Triangle.
That's rectangle.